Hello everyone, welcome to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan again. What are we gonna make today? Let me guess. Something yellow. Bananas! Let's get started. These will be the bananas. Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 big semicircles and a small semicircle. Let's get started. Let's start from this one. We're gonna put it right here. Ta-da! And this semicircle, look, the color is a little bit different. It's darker. This goes second. Now we're gonna put the small semicircle over here. The last semicircle on top. Yum, yum! Look at our bananas. They look so delicious. Oh, wait, Susan, you cannot eat them this way. You have to peel the bananas first. Peel, peel, peel. I can't wait. Bye.